Hello everyone, I hope you all are fine. Let's learn SQL with DivGel Learner. So let's get started. Our today's agenda is to create table in SQL. So let's see how we can create tables in SQL Server. So create table statement we have to use in SQL whenever you have to create a table, a new table in SQL. Every time when you create a new table, you should always use unique name which is not existing. If it is already done, if the name which you have chosen for your table, if it is existing in that database, then it won't allow you to create a new table in that database with that name. This is the syntax of creating a table. So for creating a table, you can see here you have to write down the create table statement, which will be followed with the name of the table. Here you have to mention the name and it always be unique for a table. Here in the brackets you have to mention the columns. Column 1, write the name of your column, then you have to write down the data type. The data type will mention the type of data your column will going to hold. Then column 2, then again you have to mention the data type. Similarly, you have to mention, keep on creating or declaring the columns with the data types according to your requirements, and every time you have to differentiate one column with other by using comma. So let's move on to SQL Server so that we can see how we can create table in SQL. So today I will going to show you how to create table in SQL, and the name of the table I will choose as employee. Create table statement I will use create table employee. Now further I have to mention the columns. So ID, I want this column to have integer type of value, that's why I'm here declaring integer data type. Then employee address, first I want to have an employee name, and here I will going to mention the data type varchar, which can contain or hold the length character of 150. Then I want to have a column with name, employee, age. It will going to hold integer type of value. Employee address, I'm using varchar data type. The length for character will be 355. Employee gender is the next column. And here I'm using char. Employee that's it. This much column I need for my table. So let's run this query and see is it running or not. Will it create a table or not? Here you can see command completed successfully. Like this you can create tables in SQL Server, and I hope this syntax or this query is understandable to you. So I have already shown you the example of creating table. So thank you everyone for listening and for watching this video with DivGel Learner. Thank you.